Hi, this is Bruce, and today we're going to be looking at how we can enhance our Ajax portfolio unit. So in part one, we looked at how we can use jQuery's load method to be able to load external pages that with lots of high quality images that are making our portfolio rather long to load or rather heavy to load. So right now you can see I've got a portfolio with a little nav here. If I click on fall, it loads some fall images, and if I click on winter, it loads some winter images. You can see here in the index, which is using Bootstrap 4, I've got a portfolio section, which is where we load those external files, fall and winter. And I've got a little nav area here with the buttons to load those external files. If we look here in Portfolio JavaScript, or portfolio.js, we can see I've got two on-click events, one for each of the buttons. But what we want to do today is make it so that every time we add a section or a gallery to our portfolio, we don't have to go back and edit the JavaScript. And in fact, the other thing we can do is we can refactor our JavaScript a little bit to only have one on-click event. So here's what I'm proposing. I'm going to get rid of the one on-click event here, and we'll come over here. We'll add an ID to this nav. Gallery nav. And we'll add a couple of data attributes where we can specify which file we want to load. And we'll just upload that. And then in here, when we want to change the click event to gallery nav and then A for the anchor. So when we click on an anchor inside the gallery nav element, then this click event should happen. And then here what we want to do is we want to just test to see if we can get the data link attribute to display. And for now, I will just comment this out, and we'll see if this works. Make sure these are uploaded. Come back here, Control-Shift-R to do a full refresh. And if we check out in the console, then we should see we are indeed getting the data link attribute with the files that we want to load. So now all we have to do is pass that into the load method, and we can do it just like this. And one final thing while we're here is let's add the event prevent default that will keep the page from performing the default action, which is when you click on it, see how it scrolls back up to the top? So let's refresh that. And now, if I click on them, they shouldn't scroll, which is the default action is to reload the entire page. I hope this helps.